the different units. Thank you and good day. Maybe doing things in a different way, but let me emphasize, we also have apprehended a foreign vessel and a local fishing boat for possession of endangered wildlife species at the vicinity of Half Moon Shoal, West Philippine Sea, Palawan, last Tuesday.
Timon, luma. Next please. On the right side, ito po yung approximately na disembark yung mga apprehended parties
Will you release them, sir? Yes, sir.
That
Yes, sir.
is their assertion. Our assertion is that is ours also. So that is Philippine territory. So kaya nga may dispute, di ba? But we will do the process. Kung ano ang kailangan natin gawin dito, we will refer that to the Committee of Illegal Entrance. And then the process, let the process and take its course.